205. Let me introduce you to Chad Allen. He is standing by. We launched this last incredibly popular. People love the shimmering chandelier effect, and now they can have it outdoors as well.
That's right. Hi, Guy. Hi, everybody.
Buddy.
Yeah, welcome to my living room. I can be indoors or outdoors, and this is an item and a category of items I really love to present here at HSN because I love things that are pretty, but also very functional at the same time. And when we look at our graphics and we talk about indoor/outdoor, it usually makes the price really high. And I have presented items because that are really high only because the materials you have to use, the raw materials, the metals, the crystals, the battery pack, the lighting, it all has to be a certain grade. It has to be upgraded in order to have that outdoor word on our graphics. And that's really something we're all striving for. And it's completely wireless, as Guy pointed out. I can take this anywhere I want. I could take it to the beach, the picnic, the patio. Maybe you're having a family reunion this summer and everybody's getting together for the first time. Line your picnic table with a couple of these. Put these on the center of the table. Everyone will think you're some sort of rock star. How did you do it? There's no outlets. Well, they're all battery operated. And what do I mean by that? I've unlocked this light here to actually show you what's on the inside. And you'll see it's a globe. And the globe actually has its own design built in. In fact, if I hold my hand above it, you can sort of see the design, the light globe itself is throwing off. And when you put that light globe inside the center of this chandelier here, it throws out a design all over the walls, the tablescape, the side table, that is unlike anything else. It is extremely elegant, pretty, high-end, expensive looking, all the words we want to associate with our home decor. And did you see how she just flipped that button right there? It's a weatherized rubber button that you're only going to flip one time. And what I'm talking about by meaning you're only going to flip it one time is that it has that 6 18-hour built in. That means it comes on for 6 and goes off for 18. And when you flip it the first time at 6 o'clock at night or 7 o'clock at night, it will stay on from 6 to midnight or 7 to 1, and then it goes off and comes on the same time every day. Now, I love to show a little more than the average person when it comes to our indoor-outdoor chandeliers, just based on the fact that you don't have to be too delicate with them. When you go out and you spend money on a lamp, a piece of furniture that has crystals, you can hear the crystals. I mean, I know you can hear it. You don't have to baby it. And I say that because when the wind comes and it knocks it over, it's going to happen. I live in Florida. I live in Tampa, Florida. We had a hurricane, a tropical storm this week. If it knocks it over, you don't have to worry. This isn't that piece of furniture that you're going to buy that you worry about breaking in the wind. There was a quote yesterday: if you buy right once, you never have to buy it again, right? Is it really a splurge if you'll love it forever? And that's exactly what this is. This is an item I had for the last few months as a sample in my home, and I have loved it every single day. I actually put one of them in my half bath, and I put the other out on the patio. I have 2 samples. They're the ones I use for the show, and I bring them in here for the show. I have not even cleaned these. I mean, these are the exact ones. This one's been outside the entire time. This has been outside for 2 or 3 months now, and this one's been in the half bathroom. They look exactly the same. And that's what I'm talking about. The outdoor, indoor, raw materials, the metal, the crystals, the battery pack, the light, it's all that upgraded type of material that doesn't weather, doesn't erode away, doesn't rust, nothing like that. But Guy, Georgia Brown Home is that brand that we're trusting, that we've trusted for years to bring us all of our shimmering chandeliers, the long dangly ones, the ones we hang. And for the first time ever, Guy, we've given them, now it's in that base design where you don't have to hang it anymore.
Yeah, I love too that what we did is we used acrylic to make the crystals so that they're good outside. You don't have to worry about them shattering or cracking like glasswood. They're acrylic, they're beautiful. You'd never know when you look at it, but that's what you want for an outdoor lamp, right? You want something that can handle the weather. And even if it falls over, you know, if a big windstorm comes, we had a little bit of wind over the past week, so if it tumbles over, you don't have to worry about it. It's $62. It's worth every penny. If you want to use your $40 with your brand new credit card, I would suggest you do it. And remember, once you put the batteries in, you don't have to deal with it for the whole summer. You're going to get months and months because the light that is inside is LED. LED just sips battery power, so you'll probably put 1 set of batteries in this. and have it for the entire summer without having to deal with it. There's no energy cost to plug it in because there is no plug. It's completely wireless. It's instant decor. And also, Chad, it's very high-end decor. You know, these crystal chandeliers will never go out of style. I was just up at Universal Studios, and they placed their lighting with beautiful crystal chandeliers in their main restaurant area. I mean, breathtaking, beautiful stuff. This is the same. When I look at this, you know what I think of? I think of like a couple sitting outside, like, you know, out on their deck with a table in between, with a glass of wine or whatever, and having this in between them. And as it gets darker, you've got just a beautiful little like mood light out there with those pretty crystals kind of just making that little noise that they make when the breeze hits them. I mean, it's amazing.
It really is. And one call to an electrician would cost you more than this to wire a sconce or a chandelier. And by the way, I don't even think I missed part of my job here. The batteries are included. I mean, we're giving you the 3 AAA batteries, and they're not a crazy battery. So when they do die, it's in the back of that battery pack. The batteries come to you in your box. But as Guy pointed out, the only cost of ownership ever will be replacing 3 AAA batteries. They're not a battery you can't find. They're at every gas station or local convenience store. So it's not even difficult to replace those when it does happen. But this will last you a lifetime, because when something is rated indoor and outdoor, that means you can use it anywhere you want. Take it to the beach, the patio, the tablescape, make everything that outdoor oasis that we've always wanted. But Guy, this is the only order this season. We can't get any more in. Yeah. And really, look at there's 108 faux crystals.
Look at them reflecting off the wall there. Isn't that beautiful? And they're gonna do that for you indoors or outdoors. I love it. It's not a solar light. Remember, we give you the batteries, you're all good to go. You just turn it on, put it outside, and you can enjoy it for years and years to come. Item number 743361, 6205 is the price. You can break up the payments, $20.68. You will love it. Chad, great job. Thank you, buddy.
Bye. Have a great Friday.
All right, you too, my friend. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe. All right, we are going to move on, and we're going to talk about